Have you ever wondered what Forex trading is all about? Well, if you've ever traveled overseas, you've made a Forex transaction. Forex trading always involves selling one currency in order to buy another. They are quoted in pairs that show which currency is being bought and which is being sold. Each currency in the pair is listed in the form of its three-letter code, which tends to be formed of two letters that stand for the region and one standing for the currency itself.
Forex trading, actually, when we're talking about Forex trading, we're talking about foreign exchange. It is where we compare currencies. For an example, let me say now US dollar is gaining strength and ZAR is going down. Then we're going to buy USD against ZAR. So that means when the dollar is going up and we go in with buy, we are making profit. Then if it's going down, we go in with sell, we're making profit. Yeah, so Forex trading, let me say, it's not the simplest way, but it's an, how can I put it? It is a way that somebody can be able to make money within a short period of time, but if they understand what they're doing in Forex trading. Yes.
Just like any trading, there are advantages and disadvantages.
If you know what you're doing, if you understand what you're doing in financial market, you will obviously make a lot of money because, for an example, I'm also teaching people how to trade. And I give my students a push to say in a day, try to raise 5% of whatever that you're trading with. But then the risk is that if you don't really understand your analysis, if you don't know what you're doing, instead of making money in Forex, you may lose money in Forex. Do I make sense? So in Forex trading, that is a platform for everybody to be able to make money. That's the disadvantage, the advantages, but the disadvantages that you can lose even what you're trying to raise. You must know what you call risk management, meaning that when you open a trade, you have to know the lot sizes that you're opening. For an example, you've got $100 in your account. If you're trying to make $100 profit in a day, obviously you're going to blow your account. You're going to lose even that money that you're having. So in risk management, that's where we say, as you're having $100, you must know how much you're willing to risk in your capital. For an example, you're willing to risk $5 1:3 ratio. That means if you don't go well, you will lose $5. If you go well, you will make $15 a profit. Do I make sense there? So when talking about disadvantage, you really need to understand your risk management. So if you can do your risk management proper, then you'll be able to make money in Forex. As a fundamental trader, you don't really focus on what is really happening. Is it going up or down? What you need as fundamental trader is a movement. So for example, let me say in America, President Donald Trump speaks something that caused the market to go down, the dollar to go down. So when the dollar goes down, it's an advantage for us fundamentalists. When it goes down, we go in there with a sell, we make profit. So if you speak something that makes sense or that makes that cause the currency to go up, the dollar to go up, when it goes up, we go in with the buy. So in the market, you have to know what is happening, of course, but then whether it goes up or it goes down, you always make profit. To understand trading, it may not take you time, but to master a strategy, it may take you some time. Depending on what strategy are you using and who is teaching you that strategy. For an example, let me talk about technical trading. It may take you some time to understand the technical analysis. But then talking about fundamental trading, what my strategy that I'm using, I've got my own two strategies that I have found it. So it takes people about 2 weeks to master them because I try by all means to simplify Forex trading. So whenever they see it, I give them the videos. Within 2 weeks, they're mastering it. But of course, to some other people, it may take them some time. Yes. Where the problem is, many people today, when you talk about Forex trading, they think we're talking about stock falls, where they will take in their money and get high returns, and within 3 months, then whatever stock fall collapses. So Forex trading is not a stock fall. A stock fall is where people are exchanging monies. For an example, you want to withdraw, I want to invest, then I take money into your account. The money rotates within the members. That is a stock fall. But Forex trading, that means if you are the company that trades, whatever money that comes to the company, it goes into the financial market. It is not going into people's bank account. It goes into financial market, and every day that money has to grow. It is not like the money is just there. You just see Stockfell. Remember, they just go on internet and you see it right there on your app. You say, my money is growing, but how is it growing? You don't know. And when you withdraw, they will tell you, wait to be matched with another person to put money into account. That is a Stockfell. But in Forex trading, you trade through a broker. For an example here, personally, I'm trading with Hot Forex. I'm an affiliate with Hot Forex. They are regulated by FSB. So whatever money that comes into my company, I take it into Hot Forex. Then I trade the money. So if the money grows with 1%, I know what I did for it to grow. It's not just a magical thing where you put money and it's growing without you understanding. So Forex trading, it is not a Stockfell at all. It's a financial market. That we take money into financial market. It's a company that trades, not just the Stockfell where they're exchanging monies. To resign and take the money into investment, I will say it is not the best option, and unless if maybe you've been investing for a long time and you know you are sure about your daily profit, your monthly profits that you're getting, then you're saying I'm satisfied with this, then of course you cannot be able to trade and get 200,000 every month and still go to work and earn 20,000. That is obvious thing. But then what I advise the people to do, if you are working and you want to learn how to trade, you want to trade with me, I'll push you into fundamental trading, because you will trade about 15 minutes a day or maybe 30 minutes a day. You trade maybe twice in a week. You trade only on the news that makes an impact in a financial market. You're not always focusing on the computer. So if you are working and you want to trade, then I will take you into fundamental class. Then you trade while you're busy working. This weekend I'll be in Durban on the 7th to educate people on what is Forex trading, and also give them the financial platform. Remember, we've got other people who are old people who cannot be able to trade for themselves. Then we give them the platform to say, in this company you can buy certain shares and get certain percentage every month. So it means whatever money that you put into a company, the company will trade on your behalf. Then if you lose the money, the company is responsible for any losses that you encounter, of which we never had something like that, because Forex will never collapse.